You will.
She what?
She hopes she can go to the store again.
She wish she could go to the store.
She hopes she can. You will be.
Last time I went, I had to leave.
You did? Well, go to the small store first. Don't go to the giant one. Go to the one by McDonald's.
Oh, that's the only one I used.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, but I'd rest up a week before you do that.
Huh?
I'd rest up a week before you do that. Don't go tomorrow.
Oh, I'm not.
Hell, she'll do good to go. Oh my God. How long have I been sitting? I'm going to a very big glass of water. I don't walk like I used to either.
You're doing pretty good.
Well, kids, sure.
All
I
right.
think I'll go home and eat at the store.
That's
I'll
right.
have some soup, beans, and ham.
Sounds good.
And a ham sandwich. Wished I had a tomato. I should have gone to the produce and got those. No, those eggs yet. No, I have a lot of eggs home. Goodbye. I'll lock the door.
Okay, bye. Love
You
you.
have to walk me. Yeah.
Ciao, ciao.
See you later.